Hello guys, today we are going to prepare cabbage for cooking. First, we wash our cabbage and remove any dirts. Before cutting, we check the cabbage if there's wilted leaves in it. Then we cut it in half. Then we check the center if any dirt's in there. It's look clean, and we remove the center part of the cabbage. This one is a little bit hard. We will not be including this one in our cooking. Then we'll also remove the hard part of the other side of the cabbage, and after that we're going to lay it flat in our chopping board, and we will cut in a diagonal way. If we start cutting the cabbage in a diagonal direction, you will see that the cabbage will become strips. It will become easier for us for cooking. There is also other way of making strips for the cabbage. The other one is using the peelers to strip it, but now we are going to use a knife because we are going to use this one for pancit. If you know pancit, leave a comment. There you have it. We have now the thin sliced cabbage. Thank you for watching.